What's up, guys? So I did a poll on Instagram asking if you wanted to see me do a burnout or if you wanted to see me put ATF in the bike. And I promised I would do one of these, and it looks like 62% said burnout, 38% said ATF, and burnout won. So that is what we're going to do today. So, yeah. See you then. Alright, hopefully this camera angle works. I need to start up the bike, so I'm just recording it. The chair is holding it up. Started. I have to hold in the clutch because it's messed up. But yeah, get straight to the video. Oh. Anyways, let's get straight to the video. Alright, hopefully that's good. Get started. Damn it. Try that again. Enough. My clutch is done. Well, there we go. Some rubber, but yeah, it's getting pretty low. It's pretty warm too. Here's what it used to look like. That's the front. Really knobby. Then this, the back. Cool. Running is pretty hot. It's really low in fuel. Can't see in there, it's really dark, but it's really low in fuel. I need to refill that soon. So hope you guys liked it. So I should come out with a new video soon, maybe in a couple days. It's supposed to rain here, so yeah. I need to fill up the little gas can so I can put some more fuel in my engine. So yeah, let's cut to that. And boom. Hopefully this is good enough. It should work. So this requires 40-to-1 mix, which is about 40-to-1 is 6.4 ounces. Right there. Alright, I got the oil. It's the oil I use, Lucas. And the measuring cup. I just used one of these red cups because they work great. So yeah. So let's pour it to that line, and we should be good to go. Perfect. It's just enough. There you go. Then add this. What that is. And then let's get that out of the way. Crap. Funnel. And then some strong gas. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, the 100 octane is yellow. It's pretty cool. Alright, let's check the level. Not even halfway. Got more to go. Now let's check the level. Alright, 75% there. Try to get a better angle. Take a drink up. This is also really expensive gas. This was 75 bucks, 5 gallons. It's crazy. Check the level. Oh, it's spot on. Let's get the oil. You don't need a funnel for this, but yeah, add the oil. Mix it really good. Turn it over. It's gotta be really good mix. There we go, now we got the gas. Let's put this over here. There we go. Oh, it's leaking a little bit. Crap, dang it. Alright, hold on. Alright. Breather, so you can breathe. Here we go. Fill her up. Do that. Oh. And I say that's about good. And then put this back on. That. And I'm gonna put this somewhere else. Yeah. Here we go. Oh, try to put this back on. Right there. So yeah. See you guys next video.